where the information given is that a person has a monthly income of 15,000. Okay, and his expenditures are: rent is 1875 rupees, on food he spends 3250, on education it is 1125, miscellaneous it is 2250, and the rest is his savings. So how much is the savings that we need to find out? So to find out the savings, we should add all of them, right? I'll just add here itself. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carried over 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 0, carried over 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 12, 13. 13 and 2 is 15, and 1. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8500 is the total expenditure. So savings will be, you have to, from this you have to subtract 8500. So 005, this becomes 13 minus 8, sorry 14 minus 8, which is 6. Okay. So the savings, will rub off the addition part here. Savings is 6500. Now, like I had explained in the previous sums, we have to find the central angle. So same calculation, 1875. Out of how much? The total income is 15,000. So how much out of 360 degree? Calculation, this has a bit of calculation. Cut the zeros. Both of them are divisible by 25, right? So this goes, see 150, 25 goes 6 times, so 60. This one in 1875, 25 will go 7 times, which is 175. So 187 minus 175 is 2 and 1, 125, so 5 times. 75 and 60 both are divisible by 15, 5 times, and this 4 times. 4 and 36, 9 times, so it is 45 degree. So the first angle is 45 degree. Next angle, 3250 by 15,000 into 360. Again cut the zeros, this set of 0. So they are again both divisible by 25. So this goes 6 times, this goes 32. One time it will go 25. So 25 and 75, right? 13. 6 goes 6 times, so 13 into 6, 18, and 1, 78 degree. Next one is 1125. So 1125 by 15,000 into 360. Again cut the zeros, both are divisible by 25. This goes 60 times, this will go 4 times 100, 45. Again both are divisible by 15, 3 and 4. 4 goes 9 times, 27 degree. Then the miscellaneous one, 2250 by 15,000 into 360. This calculation I am doing here. Cut all the zeros. Now see, this goes 6 times, this goes how many times? 9 times, right? 25 into 9 is, so 6 goes 6 times, this is 54 degree. And the last one, 6500 by 15,000 into 360. Cut the zeros, 15 and 65. So this goes 3 times, this goes 50 by 5 is 13. So 13 into 12 is 156 degree. So when you add all of them, you get 360 degree. So I hope now you can draw the pie chart. The same thing, draw the circle of any radius, draw one of the radii, which is a straight line, one of the radii, and then draw the angles, all the angles subsequently as explained in the previous sums. Okay, now next we will be doing one more sum in which the pie chart is already drawn and given. You have to extract data or interpret certain information from the given pie chart. We did similar sums for bar graph also, from when a few sums are plotting the bar graph, few sums where there is a bar graph already given and you extract the data from it. So this next sum is also the same thing. A pie chart will be given and we have to extract data from the pie chart. Okay, so let's do this next sum. Sum has already a pie chart given. Now it represents the monthly income of a person, the different expenditures that he do. Like very similar to the last sum that we did, there we had to represent a pie chart. Here we already have the pie chart given. The total monthly income is also given, which is 12,000. And they want us to answer few questions. So first one is how much he spends on food. So on food is 135 degree, right? A pie chart shows that 135 degree on food. So if it is 135 degree on food out of 360 degree, let me do the calculation here. So if it is 135 degree out of 360 degree, if it is 12,000, how much will it be? So it will go like this, right? So it is basically 135 out of 360 degree. So if it is x, then how much? X out of 12,000. So same thing. So 0, 0 cut, 1200 goes 100 times 36, it will go 3 times. This is 4 za 12, 1 and 5, 5 za. So it is 4500. So the answer is rupees 4500. So much he spends on food. What percentage of his income is spent on house rent? So 90 degree, right? Percentage means how much out of 100? So I know it's 90 out of 360. So how much out of 100? That's pretty easy. Cut the zeros. 9 ones are 4s are 4 and 100. So it is 25%. How much does he spend on miscellaneous items? So same thing, 45, here I have space, 45 by 360 into 12,000, right? So same thing, cut the zeros, this goes by 100, this goes by 3 for 12, 3 and 45, 15, so rupees 1500 on miscellaneous. Now what ratio of expenditure on clothing to that on education? On clothing is 60 degree and education is 30 degree. So what is the ratio? 2:1. Right? Pretty simple. So I hope you are able to understand how to construct a pie chart, how to find the central angles. Any doubts, please write in the comment section and I will definitely clarify your doubt. And if you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you in another class with some other topic. Bye bye everyone. Take care.